In this video, I am going to show you how to create data quality rule. On this window, click on New. First, we are going to choose rule type. You can choose between regular expression validation if you want to use regex formula. Then minimum length, to have your fields populated by minimum number of characters. Last modified, if you want to check when is the entity last modified on. Number of activities, if you want your entities to have minimum number of activities. Last activity, to check when was the last activity on entity. And there is option flow, which allows you to connect data quality app with Power Automate. We will go with minimum length rule. Let's choose account for entity and for field. Let's choose account name. For minimum value, let's put 5. And for severity, you can choose between warning and error. You will get name that you can change as you want, and also rule result field display name that you can also change. You can add specific business unit if you want this rule to be available for only that business unit. Click on Save and your rule is ready.